here we go. I'm gonna start ripping the seats out. Current interior. Don't mind that, it keeps falling down. It won't stay. I gotta make sure that it actually does stay this year so it looks decent. Getting ready to take out the passenger and driver side seats. We have some Corbeaus that we're putting in, but we still have to get the bracket on the passenger side one. I'm just gonna get them out for now so that once we do get the bracket on, we can just put them in. So. $10.95, not impressive. Okay, so took these little trim pieces off. Took these trim pieces off and trying to get to these bolts to take them out. Got the big guns out. It worked. This one's a little bit of a different, this one's not as coming out as well, so cool. This one coming out though. Oh, I don't know what this is from. Cool. Got 'em. 2 bolts down. Okay, so I got the rear bolts out. Move her back. That's all the farther she goes, Captain. All right. Unbolted the back, and now I'm supposed to lean it forward. Haha! Got it. Got them all unplugged. Well, got her out. Didn't take too much longer. It just took more time to unplug those stupid things for some stupid reason than it did to actually get it out. It's pretty heavy, but I was able to get it out. So, on to the next one. And they're out. Whew. That was a lot of work. Don't mind how dirty it is. I've not obviously clearly slept under there. But poor seat. I would like to get it reupholstered someday, even if it doesn't go back in. Ta-da! All right, time to put the race seats in. See how this goes. Kind of nervous. Wasn't too bad, was it? Okay, passenger seat is in. I'm gonna try and figure out how to fit it and then bolt it. Ta-da! Finally got my racing seats in with my harnesses and everything. Didn't take very long. The only thing is that I was having issues with the bolt holes lining up in the back of the bracket on the passenger side, but I hit the brackets a little bit just to bend them to hopefully line them up, and they did. So finally got it in right there. But I'm super happy. I'm super excited. We might need to make a little bit of adjustments to the driver's side to see if we can get it closer to the pedals. I can floor it and I can hold the brakes, but they're really far away. So now obviously I don't have a harness bar yet. This seatbelt's still hanging there, but I will have one in a couple of weeks. So I should be able to get that on pretty quickly and then be ready for racing in April. It starts next month, which is crazy, and I'm super excited. I can't wait. I'm ready. A little bit about my harnesses. They are RJS brand, as you can see. They are the 5-point and they are cam lock ones. The center strap is what has a latch on it, and even though my seats don't actually have a hole for the center strap, we put it directly under where it's supposed to go, where there's a hole on the bracket for it, and it just goes over the seat. I'll show a picture there, but it is cam lock, and you just twist it and they all come off. Yeah, so that was my adventure for the day, and I'm super excited, super happy about it. They look super good, and yeah, so thanks for watching Gap Factory Garage. We'll see you later.